was my classmate and teacher.
Morning.
I'm Yunai. I come from Mumbai in Nam Kyo. I want to talk about teaching. Title is Volunteer Park. Once upon a time there was a beautiful forest. Many deer live there. Live there. One day, the king took his man. The king took his man to hunt the deer. After that, the king saw many deer, and he shot an arrow. He shot an arrows and to hit the deer, to hit the mother deer. She ran away in pain. Later, the king found her hiding some bush with baby deer. Even those the deer was bleeding, and he stayed fat with meat, with her baby deer. The king felt the deer soon died. The king felt so unhappy, and he picked up the baby deer and said to it, I will now care for you. He broke his bow and arrow, and I will never hunt. Again. To remember what day. He named the forest. Volunteer Park. It's like people and animals. Also have feelings. We shouldn't kill time for fun or sports. It's unkind and selfish.